Did your mom ever tell you to stop cracking your knuckles because it will give you arthritis? Well, the good news is that this is just a myth. According to several studies, there is no definitive proof that cracking your knuckles will cause arthritis. Contrary to popular belief, the popping sound that you hear when you crack your knuckles is not the sound of bones rubbing together. It is in fact the synovial fluid moving back into the joint space to keep the bones lubricated. If, however, direct trauma, repetitive motion injuries, autoimmune disease, and or the aging process occurs, it reduces the protective fluid, leading to degenerative changes and arthritis, which is the true cause of joint dysfunction.